Hello everybody, welcome to our Google Site tutorials. Today in this tutorial we're going to be covering about pages. So pages are like the pages of websites. So we only have one page in a website, which is the home page. And then here's the home page. Here is where you're going to add a new page. So I want to add a new page. There's three more options: new link, full page embed, and new menu selection. New link, full page embed, and new menu section. We're gonna click new page. Okay. You can name this page whatever you want. So I want to set this to articles. So articles is basically just like a page that we have. We can use it whenever we want to. It's here it is. So and articles. Now on the home page, I want to select all of this text. Control C, Control. No, wait, let me just with that. Now what I want to do is I want to move all these articles to here. See what they went? No, not like that. So what you're going to just do is you're going to select all of this text, Control C, and then use to Control V. And now it's just going to move it into the internet in there. You can do the same thing for the Earth one. So you can select it, Control C, and then you can paste it back into there. Then I want to select this image, then move it into articles. There. Then I want to select all this text. And I want to move it right next to so I could just move it back up there. There. Well, I want to delete everything from this page because I don't want anything here that's going from last time. So let's just click this delete button. We don't need this. So articles. And so I want to insert a table of contents like I did last time, so I could just insert a table of contents right here. So, and you can also set this to this, like that, articles. Then you have a list of things that you want. Well, there's different pages that you have. So that's what we have. We have a lot of stuff here. Well, since it's not a lot to cover here, let's also cover about divided spaces. Let's see what they do. They just divide something when you don't want it, when you want it to be divided. So I can just move this up here. So that divides the text. And then a spacer adds some space between it so that it can just have some space between it. I don't know what they got it, but still. This is a pretty good feature. Then I want to see what the placeholder does. Oh, you just it's just like an image selector, just to use as a placeholder. Yeah. And then a collapsible group. It's like a collapsible group. And let's see what happens if I collapse it. It's like a list of things. Planets in our solar system. In our solar system. I'm gonna name every single planet in the solar system. Start 1, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And no, not Neptune. Pluto. I know. Until 2006. No. Until 2006. I think so. Why can't I enter the number 2? Yes. Okay, here is our solar system. There's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto until 2006. Well, make sure collapsible is selected. So, here is everything that we did so far. The editing articles page. Now I want to add one more page. Maybe it's going to be a page called maybe just I don't actually want another page. So that is the end of this tutorial. The next tutorial for tomorrow I'm gonna do is about buttons. So then wait until tomorrow for the next tutorial. So I'll upload again tomorrow. So bye bye.